In 2017, scientists pointed a strange new scanner at the Great Pyramid of Giza and found a hidden space no one knew existed. It had been sealed inside the stone for 4,500 years, and to this day, no one has found a way in. The Great Pyramid is the last of the 7 ancient wonders still standing. For nearly 4,000 years, it was the tallest building on Earth. It's built from over 2 million stone blocks, some as heavy as a small truck, fitted together with terrifying precision. For centuries, explorers believed they had mapped every room inside: the king's chamber, the queen's chamber, the grand gallery. But the pyramid is mostly solid rock, and digging around blindly could bring the whole structure crashing down. So how do you look inside a mountain of stone without touching it? The answer came from outer space. Cosmic rays constantly rain down on Earth, creating tiny particles called muons that pass straight through solid stone. But muons slip more easily through empty space than through rock. So a hidden gap lets more of them through. Scientists placed muon detectors inside the pyramid and simply counted the particles arriving from every direction for months. Wherever far more muons appeared than expected, there had to be a hidden empty space, swallowing fewer of them. And right above the grand gallery, the detectors lit up. Something big, really big, was hiding in the stone. They called it the Big Void. It stretches at least 30 meters, about the length of a passenger jet. 3 separate teams, using 3 different technologies, all found the exact same empty space. It was real. But what is it? That's where the mystery deepens. Because nobody actually knows. Some think it's a construction gap, left to relieve the crushing weight pressing down above the grand gallery. Others believe it could be a hidden chamber, maybe even the true, untouched burial room of the pharaoh Khufu. There are no doors. No corridors lead to it. It has no known entrance. From any room we can reach, to even peek inside, scientists have proposed drilling a tiny hole and flying a miniature robot through it. After 4,000 years, the pyramid still guards its secret. What do you think is inside? Comment below and subscribe.